We're here at the startup zone of Embedded World 2025, and I'm here with Evgeny, part of the WirenBoard
Yes, that's right.
section. So what caught my attention were two familiar icons on your poster, Node-RED and Home Automation. And after a short conversation, I discovered that there is an entire building management system inside this case. Could you tell me a little bit more about it, please?
Yeah, so the main product we are showing here is our programmable automation controller called WirenBoard 8. It's 8th generation. And yeah, indeed, it can run both Node-RED and Home Assistant because it's open, in contrary to what's normally done with PLC and programmable automation controller in more industrial market. But yeah, we believe in open ecosystem. That's why even though we supply our controller with our own software, even our own software is open, and we have connectors or other adapters to third-party open source software like Home Assistant or Node-RED you mentioned.
That's really nice, and I can see in the case you've got a demo for several different devices that you would find in a typical home scenario.
That's right.
So your capabilities are to measure the power. What else?
Yeah, so with power management, I think we're really strong here because we have multi-channel energy meter, both for a single-phase application or industrial three-phase application as well. And this multi-channel meter, for example, can measure up to 12 different circuits. And the idea is that you not run your circuits through the meter as you usually do. It's not direct connection, but rather you use current sensors like this one, which actually can be installed even afterwards on retrofitting stage because they are split core current sensor.
Yeah.
And using that, you can actually measure the power consumption or energy consumption on each individual circuits. So you can basically put the meter in on each individual circuit breaker, which in like home automation scenario will give you insight on when your utility bill comes from. In more commercial like setups, like in retail, in data center and stuff like that, it will give you some business insight because you can see when your lighting appliances are broken because the particular circuit breaker consumption goes low, or when your motor is broken. So in this demo here, what I have is I have a fan power, which is 15 watts in this case. So it's a normal meter, it can measure up to 15 kilowatts, but in this case it's only measure 15 watts. And if I'll try to stop it, yeah, the power consumption will go up, and the automation script will detect it and notify me by this weird noise. Yeah, I'll switch it off now.
When you mention you can hook up to 12 different sockets to monitor, that's impressive because usually what you get on a single device is 3, maybe 4 phases if you're lucky. So being able to scale that up to that amount reduces the number of devices you need to provide to automate your home or manage entire building, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. And again, as I said, what we said is that once you add the measurement capability for every single circuit breaker, for every circuit, you get a lot of insights which would otherwise been lost. So yeah, that's why we actually sell these energy meters at really competitive price points. So if you're talking about single phase installation, I think 12 channels is about 300 euros in total, combined with a sensor and stuff. It's like total solution. Yep.
That sounds really good. So if you're interested in building management, guys, head to the description of this video. You're going to find links to the WirenBoard. Thank you so much, Evgeny, for talking to me.
Thank you.